Okay, this video is about creating a blank test, but the things I'm going to show you will pertain to if you bring up an existing test. You click on your Manage tab, you click on Administer Test, you click on Create a Test, and this time I'm going to choose Create a New Blank Test and click Next. It's going to go through a wizard. Now, when you're creating a title, some of the campuses are starting to tell me that they're wanting to get a little more conformative on the titles. Maybe putting 14, 15, noting the school year. Then maybe the grade level, the subject, and then you can put the unit or the topic that needs to be done. If multiple people are creating assessments, it could even be an idea to put maybe some identifying name. The next one is, of course, your grade level. Now, the start date and end date. Start date would be, of course, starting today. The end date means not that the test is over, but it's the end point when you can print bubble sheets and scan. So if this is something that you're going to probably need to redo if there's an absence or an error or an issue, you might want to kind of move it out ahead. But just make sure that you have, if you have any that are before the start date of the school year, then it's going to mess up how this assessment is assigned. The test type. This is one of my little pet peeves. A lot of people forget to choose the test type. Yes, it may be a local test, but you've got to choose your campus. Otherwise, you may not be able to find it again. So for your test type, you always choose your campus. All right, I'm going to click Next in the bottom corner. So now the wizard's going, okay, select a course. You would think, well, you chose, well, this could be, even though I'm doing a 6th grade science test, this might be a pre-assessment where I also will eventually might need to add some other courses. But for this screen, choose your main campus, grade, and subject. Click Next. Now it says you're done, but right here it says click Finish to create the new test administration. And the finish is way down here in the bottom corner. Now, this is your general screen. It basically goes back through what you just did in your wizard. Your test name, the test type, your subject area, your grade level. It goes through the expectation scores, 70% meaning you've met mastery. If it's kind of a first test, this can be lowered. Advanced, if you're wanting the kids to be a little bit more successful, then you might want to change that to 80, 85, 90. Instructions and notes are what can be printed. Now, to keep these videos short, I'm going to go ahead and stop here. And the next video, I'm going to start with the curriculum tab.